What does a bad stylus sound like on vinyl records? The needle of your turntable is a sensitive piece of equipment. It is responsible for picking up dust and dirt from the grooves of a record, which can lead to muffled sounds. If you notice the needle bent, you should replace it immediately. If the seller of your record has not specified a replacement, do not try to replace the needle. Instead, you should inspect the stylus to see if it has a dust ball on it. If you see a dust ball, it means the needle has become distorted, causing the audio to become distorted. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's time to visit your local dealer. The first sign of a faulty stylus is sibilance. It's normal for vocals to produce high-frequency sibilance. If you hear excessive sibilance, you've probably overused the stylus, and it's time to replace it. A faulty needle will also result in uneven surface wear on your record. If you can't hear this, you can replace it. Another sign that a stylus is wearing out is a dull sound. When the stylus tip is worn, it rubs against the groove walls, creating abrasive, scratchy audio. The stylus is worn out and should be replaced if the seller specifies replacement. It is important to ensure that the cartridge leads are properly connected. The stylus is probably damaged if you hear a sibilant sound when playing a record. What is the most common sign of a bad stylus? When listening to vinyl, a scratchy or thinning sound is the most common sign of a bad stylus. The sound of a broken stylus can be frustrating. It's a good idea to have a spare on hand so that you can replace it if necessary. If a vinyl record is scratchy and the needle is thin, it's likely that the needle is the culprit. Now you know what does a bad stylus sound like on vinyl records. Thank you for stopping by. If you found value in this video, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you want to know more about all things in sound technology, subscribe to our channel and visit AUDIOAMBITION.com.